Hey guys, welcome welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be trying out some new to me makeup that I recently picked up from Sephora. If that sounds like something you're interested in, keep on watching. And also, if it's your first time here, go ahead and subscribe, girl. Subscribe, subscribe, like the video if you like the video, and let me know what else you guys would love to see from me. And let's get into the video. Face is prepped, primed, and ready to go. Now I'm gonna go in with the new foundation for me. It's new to me, it's not new on the market. I'm gonna use it today. It's the Laura Mercier. It's the Real Flawless Weight Perfecting Foundation. I got it in the shade 6W1 Ganache. I'm gonna shake this up. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's pretty liquidy. Now this foundation, I've used it before a few times already. It is unlike anything it's unlike any foundation I've tried before. So according to the Sephora website, it's a weightless foundation that blurs the line between makeup and skin, with medium buildable coverage, waterproof wear, and up to 12 hours of fade-proof wear. So it doesn't say anything about it being a serum foundation, but to me, it has this like serum-y texture, like it's very thin. So it has a pretty thin, runny consistency, but the coverage on this is crazy. If you're not careful, you'll over-apply this and then you'll just have too much on your face. So I'm gonna apply this with my Sonia G Jumbo Base Foundation brush. And look at that. I just barely tapped my brush into the product and just look how much coverage I'm gonna get from that. It has a very lightweight feel. It's very thin. It feels good on the skin. So this is me with the foundation on my face. This is about 2.5 pumps of foundation. It is very lightweight. Like when I say lightweight, I cannot feel this on my skin. It is definitely medium coverage because you can still see my spots, like my little dark spots here, dark spots here. So it's not a full coverage foundation, which I don't mind because I'm gonna go in with a pretty full coverage powder foundation to set all of this. So off camera, I went in with the Fenty Beauty Bright Fix Eye Brightening Illuminator and Corrector thingy. I went in with the shade Toffee. I'll be listing all the products I use today in the description box, so check those out if you're interested. Next product that's new to me is this Amy Colé concealer. Ooh, baby. This is a skin enhancing concealer, and I have not been able to put this concealer down ever since I purchased it. I got it in the shade Deep 1.5. It has this nice little doe foot applicator, and if you guys don't know, this is a Black-owned brand that's fairly new to Sephora, and I have been loving everything I tried from this brand so far. I love the shade of this concealer because it does give that brightening effect without looking too stark on my skin. And while that's setting, I'm gonna go in with another new product, which is the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer Bronzer. Now, the name is weird because I'm like, what the heck is a tinted moisturizer bronzer? Are you a tinted moisturizer or your bronzer? I mean, obviously it's a bronzer, but make it make sense, please. That's what it's looking like right there on the back of my hand. I kept swatching this in Sephora and I'm like, what? Do I need another liquid bronzer? Or do I need a liquid bronzer rather? Because I am not usually a liquid makeup type of gal, but lately the brands have just been giving us all these liquid bronzers and blushes and everything, and I've just been intrigued to try. So I picked this one up and I got the shade 06 Sunspell. This bronzer is so pretty. I love the way it looks. And for me, this doubles as like a bronzer and a contour because I really don't contour. Now we're gonna go in and blend the concealer out. So to blend my concealer, I'm using the Sonia G Mini Base brush. Can y'all see that? Do you see this? I love this concealer. This concealer is top tier. And I love that it is It has a matte finish, but it's not drying under the eyes, so. And the coverage is also there. So I'm gonna set my under eye with this One Size Turn Up the Base foundation powder. I've had this shade, Dark 1, in my collection for a while, and I really recently picked up the foundation shade in Deep 2, which is what I'm gonna use to set my face. Now, guys, something I'm excited to share with you is I've been seeing this pink powder trend going around, and I tried it recently, and I have been loving it, y'all. So I picked up the One Size Beauty Ultra Pink Loose Setting Powder. I'm so excited. I have been using this for like a week now. This is what it looks like. It's super pink. Now, at first, I was skeptical about this pink powder because I just didn't think it was gonna work for me. So I stayed away for as long as possible. But y'all, they just kept dropping these powders and I got hooked. So let's see what it looks like. Now, I hope this is helpful for you if you've been thinking about the pink powder. The one thing I don't like about this powder though is it's chunky. Like, look at it on the sponge. So you have to, like, 100% before you put it under your eyes, get the excess off. Put it on the back of your hand, blend it out, smooth it out before you put it under your eyes, because if you don't, it will get cakey. Now, here we go. What I love about this powder is it gives me the brightening effect without making my under eyes look ashy like the yellow or the translucent powders. It is just beautiful. I love it so much. All right, so I'm gonna set the rest of my face. Like I said, another new product. This is the One Size Beauty Turn Up the Base foundation powder in the shade Deep 2. This is what it looks like. It's looking hella crusty because I've been using the heck out of it. I used my Sonia G Face Pro brush to set my face. All the places where I didn't highlight or bronze is where I'm gonna put this. So I have two bronzing products here that I purchased recently. I think I'm gonna do the Kosas today, yeah, because I want that bronzy glow. This is the Kosas Sun Show bronzer in the shade Tropic. I'm gonna use the Sonia G, I think this is the Niji Pro brush to apply this, which is one of my favorite bronzer brushes of all time. It just does what it needs to do, so. And I love bronzer, and I love a lot of it, so I'm gonna go in with this. It's glowy, but it's not like one of those highlight bronzer. I feel like you can barely see the glow, but you know it's there. Another item I picked up recently from Sephora is their brow pencil. I got the shade Chocolate Brown. The brow pencil is from the Sephora collection. I probably wasn't clear on that. And this is only like $12, and it reminds me of the ABH brow pencils, and it's just as good. I've been enjoying this. I feel like the tip of this pencil is so good. Like, it's not too hard where it's dragging, and it's not too soft where if you apply a little pressure, it breaks. I find that this formula is pretty good and easy to work with. So are you a brow before or after foundation type of girl? Obviously, I'm a brows after. So I'm gonna let that sit while I use my blush. Now, I got a few new blushes. I've got this Danessa Myricks blush in the shade Golden Hour. This is the Yummy Skin Balm Powder blushes, I believe it's called. And I also have a few Haus Labs blushes. I have the shade Watermelon Bliss. I think I'm gonna layer these just so I can use both of them and you guys can see how they perform. I'm gonna go in with this Wayne Goss number 2 brush. For reference, that's what the shade looks like. Okay, let me take some off on the back of my hand and then just pounce it in. See, is it working? Ooh. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, that's pretty. Wow. Wow, that's pretty. I'm gonna top it off with the Haus Labs blush in Watermelon Bliss. Ooh. Okay. Definitely giving watermelon vibes. I swatched them in the haul. I have a haul coming up if I didn't say that. A haul is coming, or either before or after this video. You guys can see how everything looks, swatch, yeah. I'm back and I pretty much finished up the rest of my face, and everything else I used on my face will be linked in the description box below if you're interested in figuring out like what else I used on my face. And I have a few lip options, new lip options. Well, one I'm not gonna get up and get, but I think for today's video, I'm gonna use the Amicale lip oil. It's in the shade Bliss. Oh, it has a nice fat thick applicator, which I love. I like to wear this all by itself, with or without a lip liner. Most times it's with a lip liner, but can you see how juicy that is on my lips? I know y'all see it. Do y'all see the glow on this lip oil? Do you see it? I love this lip combo. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the look. If you made it this far into the video, go ahead and subscribe, girl. Go ahead and subscribe. We have fun over here. Like the video and just leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.